Vihan, good morning.
Good morning.
Listen, you're getting ready for like what, day 2 promotions?
Day 2, correct.
Damn, how was day 1?
Pretty good. I mean, we wrapped in time and I got some sleep and I'm back now to
Okay.
answer.
Have you seen any of these episodes?
I've seen what I've dubbed.
Oh, okay. I've seen 4 episodes and I have to
Okay.
say I'm in love with the show and Netflix keeping me like super hanging and I'm not liking it.
Well, I'm glad.
Yeah, I know, right? You guys are very happy. But okay,
Yeah.
tell me, Vihan, if I were to ask you what's the most royal thing about Vihan, what would that be?
I really enjoy being clean. I cannot handle mess, so I get things cleaned with alcohol wipes and all the cleaning things.
Are you OCD?
Yeah, I'm OCD clean.
Like little borderline.
Yeah, and even with clothes, they have to fit right.
Okay.
Especially with jackets. If they don't fit right, I'm not wearing them.
Is that what you're wearing today?
Yeah,
Is that fitting right?
I made sure it was.
Okay. Tell me if there's one thing that you could actually steal from the Palace of Morpur, or maybe like even a person. Who or what would that be?
I would steal the peacocks. I think they're quite cool.
Yeah.
I mean, although you have peacocks in Mumbai and Malabar Hill, but like I want my own peacock.
Tell me something. Let's just say somebody's asked you to dress like really royal and make an appearance at a red carpet.
Yes.
What's that one fashion accessory close to you that would make you royal?
Pocket square.
Ooh,
Yeah.
can you like make them and fold them well, or do you get those stitched ones?
I have them made by people.
And then just put it in.
And yeah, yeah.
Okay, tell me what's the most royal thing that you own till now?
Most royal thing I own. Okay, a royal thing. I can't think of something.
Okay, let's
I
make
think-
it easier. Like something
yeah.
which is very expensive till date in your closet.
I think I got this whole. I mean, it's not that expensive, but I got this like a bunch of Sandro looks that I just decided I need to spend on. No, actually, I have a very cool pair of black boots, like leather boots that are just like artisan made in Italy kind of situation that I really love. So
Yeah, okay, that could be
I
that.
splurged on that one. They were simple black boots. I mean, my parents were like, "तूने जूते खरीदे?" And I was like, "Yes,
महंगे हैं, but
महंगे हैं,
खरीद
but
लिए.
खरीद लिए.
It's
अब क्या
royalty,
करें?
it's
I
fine.
mean, मुझे पता नहीं कि मेरे सैलरी के साथ क्या करना है.
तो मैंने
घर
खरीद लिए.
घर गाड़ी कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, जूते.
जूते.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. If you could describe your character in
Yes.
the show as like a dish, what would that signature dish be?
लाल मास.
Okay, any reason why?
He's just like fiery and intense, and he has like he spent a lot of time preparing in the kitchen. So he's a chef himself, so he spent a lot of time preparing, honing his skills, and then the flavors come out as you go through the dish, and as you eat more and more. So you get more of Diggy as you go through the show.
Yeah, I've seen 4 episodes. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah,
That thump that you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me something. If you, along with Ishan's character, which is Morpur Ka Raja, had a dating profile, what would it read?
If the two of us had it
Yeah,
together,
like no, not together, of course, separately.
I have
You
no
had
idea.
your-
Yeah,
yeah,
you never. I mean, 2025. You know,
You
you
never know how two brothers having
thruppling.
the same dating profile. No.
Yeah.
You separately, him separately. What would it read?
It would read if he had a dating profile, it would read, "If you don't know me, don't message me."
Okay.
And for me, it's like something like I would say something seriously like, "Food is my passion. What is yours?" And then I'd like interview people based on their passions and decide whether they're worthy or not.
Are you passionate?
Yeah,
No,
you passionate?
get
No,
out.
get out. Yeah, left swipe.
This is not
Right
hap-
swipe, left swipe.
I'm not on a dating app either, so I
Yeah.
have no idea.
What
But whatever, some
swipe
swipe.
up,
Left
swipe
usually
up.
is no, right?
Left
I'm
is no, right?
So
Yeah,
left swipe.
left swipe.
We're swiping left. Okay, last but not the least, I would love to know, how did you and Ishan crack this superb, bro chemistry? Because I loved it.
We literally just spent time together horse riding and like making fun of each other and taking the piss out of each other. And we were like, oh, we have to play brothers. Might as well just insult you the entire day and just see how that goes. And finally, oh, you're going to love this scene in episode 7.
Oh,
Because
don't
it's-
do that.
Yeah,
Slow
yeah.
burn. Don't do
Yeah,
that.
you're going to love this scene. Yeah, no, it was honestly just spending time together and just being open and like having dinner, having lunches, talking about life and just being like, okay, I get this person.
Amazing.
And you need that comfort to make fun of them and hit them.
Never know what's happening in episode 7.
Yeah.
In that case. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks. Rehan, I'm going to leave you at that.
Thank
you
you.
so much. I hope you have a royal day ahead
Thank
with
you.
everybody who's going to see you.
I hope you do too.
Me too. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.